Ceramic paint coatings are all the rage, and for good reason. They create a super hydrophobic surface that repels water like crazy. This makes washing and drying your car faster and easy, and anytime it rains, you get a self-cleaning effect to clean your car. Plus, they make the paint incredibly glossy. But they take a tick more work to apply. How would you like all the benefits of a ceramic paint coating with the ease of use of a liquid sealant? Wolfgang Concours Series SiO2 Paint Sealant gives you all the benefits of a traditional ceramic coating with the ease of use of a liquid paint sealant. This gives you the high gloss or the glassy look that we all love that we get from a ceramic paint coating, and also gives you the protection of a hydrophobic paint sealant. This creates super water tension, so water just wants to run off your car anytime it rains, and this causes all the dirt to run off with it. And anytime you wash your car, it's going to wash faster and dry faster due to the hydrophobicity of the sealant on the paint. You're going to love this product because it's so easy to use. This is a paint sealant that's infused with SiO2. Those are nano-sized particles of silicon dioxide, and those are the ingredients that creates the high surface tension or the hydrophobic action on the paint surface to protect longer and to also give it that amazing super high gloss shine. The Wolfgang SiO2 Paint Sealant is super easy to apply. First, do the normal steps like wash and dry your car, and then inspect it for any contamination, and if discovered, use detailing clay to remove. Then you're ready to apply the SiO2 paint sealant, and you can do this by hand or machine. Now, the thing about this is you want to let it fully dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. And when you do this, here's what's really cool about this product is it wipes off incredibly easy, and you can apply it to the entire car at one time and then come back and wipe it off. And you're going to be amazed by the slickness. When you run that towel over the paint, it's going to feel slippery and slick just like we all love. Plus, the gloss and the shine are incredible. After using this product just one time, it has become my new favorite paint sealant. To get your own bottle, go to Autogeek.com. And for more videos like these and how-tos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.